In this guide, I'm going to show you how to disable TikTok profile view history. So TikTok profile view history, so this feature allows you to see who has viewed your profile on TikTok and which followers have watched your videos. However, if you have this feature enabled, others who have it enabled can see that you have viewed their profiles, and disabling it gives you more privacy. Go ahead and launch your TikTok application on your device, log into your specific account. Then after, click on your profile from the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Now, in the top right corner, you'll see that footstep icon to access your profile views. Go ahead and click on it. Now, in order to disable this feature, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the viewer history enabled. Simply toggle this option off. And when you turn it on, come back, and now you'll get the option of turn on in the bottom right corner of the screen. Alternatively, if you do not find the footstep icon in your profile, click on the three lines in the top right corner of the screen. Then after, go to settings and privacy, scroll down and see for the options of viewers, which is in the section of interaction. Go ahead and select it and toggle the switch off to turn off your profile view history. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again.